Okay, so we're in the Hilton Grand Vacation Club SeaWorld, and we're in room 11609. And this is in the Tucker house. I'll make sure, but this is all the way at the end of the hall. Everyone's already in here. This is your initial walk-in. You walk into, we just walked in. You walked into a kitchen, the full kitchen. And I think I'll show you everything later. The full kitchen. Let's see if you got plates and stuff. Doesn't seem like you have plates. How strange. Oh, you know what? It's because they're washing. So they're in the washer. The coffee maker. Here's your trash. Dishwashing liquid. You have a microwave. I left this open. Oh, there's nothing here. Oh, I can't wait to see what's in the washer. So here's your full. Yeah, the dishes are washing. Pots and pans. And some other stuff. Oh, yeah, everything's washing. Yeah, I made the mistake last time that I said that we needed to bring everything, but it was all actually in the washer. Colander, some bowls. Okay, so that was the kitchen. And then we'll go over here in a minute. Here's your bathroom. Oh, but before the bathroom, look, we have a washer there. And that's detergent. So that's that little closet. That's a lock off. What is that? You have a full stand-up shower. And it looks like there's nowhere to put. Oh, yeah, there it is. There's like a little area here, so you can put your.
Yes, yes.
And then you have two sinks, plenty of room. I need to know what this is. Oh, it's like a plunger. Okay, so if you need a plunger, there you go. Here's our. What is it? Paper. Oh, tissues! Finally, tissues. And you have this factory and everything. I wanna wash my hair. Oh God, you gotta be careful. Opening the door. You just saw what happened. So there's your toilet and all of your towels. So now we're gonna go into the room. Oh wait, look, check this out.
A bathtub.
A bathtub.
Now I'm going to try to get in the bathtub.
Okay, just be careful. And here's your closet. Huge closet. And your safe.
I'm going to wash myself. I'm going to wash myself.
The baby's in the bath. Oh wait, there's one. And then this is the king. You know what? Let's check if there's your phone. Here's your outlet. Plenty of storage. 3. Let's look over here.
Yeah.
It's a comfy bed for you.
Yeah.
This is for like an old iPhone.
What are you going to do next, Mom?
Next, we're gonna go to see over here. Look, you have a little chair. You can sit down. Oh, look. Look, we have a little balcony here. And that's SeaWorld. You see that? That's SeaWorld over there. And that's the convention center. Right there. That's the convention center. We're going outside. It's a nice big balcony, and then it's got a door. Let's see if it's open. Is it open? So that door goes into the living room. Is this refurbished? I don't know, I can't tell. The last time we were here was maybe 3 years ago or more. Okay, so I just opened the... Hey, come in here. So she's having fun. We're on the top floor, so that's why this is blocked off. So that's your view. And then it looks like that's like maybe the neighbor's balcony. Okay, so here is your living room. Look, this is your TV. Okay. And you have nice dining room. Oh, so that's okay. For now. And what is this? Another closet. And more sheets. Alright, so let's do this one more time. This is your door. We walked in. Here's your kitchen, your full kitchen. I think that probably should be done already. Your bathroom. This thing, big tub, which we're gonna definitely use. Plenty of space over here to do I don't know what. Your big bed, balcony. The kid going nuts. Hey, we're gonna get ready for the pool. And then you walk out. Here's your dining room. Then the kitchen. The living space. And your TV. Yeah, so let's see how we like this. And I think we're gonna like it. Last time we stayed here was in a studio. So this is gonna be perfect for me, my mom, and my daughter. Hey, so thanks for watching. Please enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe so you can keep up to date as to like when it is that I post these like funny videos. And we really enjoy them, so it really does help out the vlog. Thank you. See you real soon. Okay, go. Oh, okay. Oh! Oh! Mom! Sorry. She's gonna get all the pucks. So let's do this and we'll come back. Alright vlog, we're gonna go back to this side. We're gonna do this a couple of times and I think we're gonna wrap this up for the night, right? Yeah. Say good night. Yeah, we're going. So this is a little barbecue area. We're gonna do this tomorrow. A little sitting area. There's 2 barbecues. Somebody brought their own barbecue. And then you can get your own grill cooking utensils available to borrow from the Marketplace Deli. And this is the building we're staying at. So I think that this is one of the ideal ones because it's right next to the pool. Yeah, before we stayed one that was like really down. It's called the Tuckerton House. 1101 through 1161. If you go down that way, that's where you can get your ice. You work it through here, you can go this way or this way. Here's your baby. These are your activities.
Sorry.
Elevator. And then if you have luggage when you check in, your luggage parts are here. And let's go in the elevator.
Come in. No, what's the floor?
Go.
Oh,
So we're on the 6th floor.
yep, remember six. Hey, Bob, can I tell you something?
Mm-hmm.
You know why I can see blue lights?
Why can you see blue lights?
Because I'm talking on my
She was in the pool all day.
That's why I see the lights
Okay, so now we're going to be able to walk through
here. That's where I'm going to
the hall so you can see where
like a hallway.
this room is at. Okay, so out the elevator.
I hear the lovely view.
Take a sharp right.
I don't know the lovely view.
The lovely view, what's she saying? That's the lovely view. This is the parking lot. No, don't ring the doorbell. Okay, so now we're gonna go in and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, we're at the barbecue.
Now we're eating.
We're eating. We made bread.
I think toast.
We already made some sandwich here.
I also said toast.
Not French toast, just toast with butter.
Yeah.
And we're making chicken and some
And the barbecue.
and beef and the barbecue. That's the widow. She's gonna check the barbecue now. It's a gas grill, so you don't have to worry about anything. So on the bottom, let me show you here. So on the bottom is a timer. You see you could do 20, 40, 60 minutes. And then you have 3 sections. This is where we're at. And be careful, it's hot. That's what we're making. Chicken asparagus, zucchini, churrasco. And we set up over here. Don't pick that up. She dropped her bird. And this is actually kind of cool. At night, you have your little night lights. Yeah, we got some lights. All right, so we'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah. And we also went to the pool.
And we went to the pool. We'll see you at the pool.
Bye. Come again.
Okay, so we
I like couch in the table.
slept on this couch. And wait a minute. I put it together and I didn't put it together right, but it was really comfortable. We loved it. We loved it. And then I think I wanted to mention this. I didn't mention it before. You have a DVD player, and you can run DVDs downstairs. And we made use of everything here. We made a gigantic mess here. We did use the tub, and this was awesome. Oh my god, this is so cool. I opened all these windows that were closed before. Look at the mess of the bed. Oh, the bed is a mess. And we did make use of the balcony. And that's your view, again, of SeaWorld. It's a nice and breezy day. All right, so again, thank you for watching.